Peaches and Cream Foundation. Internship opportunities meet our students. Young adults just like you looking for an internship. They want experience, growth, real-world skills, and even remote opportunities. Like many students, they struggle to find opportunities, unsure where to start or how to stand out, even after applying for dozens of internships. Then they discovered the Peaches and Cream Foundation Internship Program, a place designed to give students opportunities they might not normally get, opening doors to both remote and in-person internships. Our program offers opportunities in business, graphic design, web development, psychology, digital marketing, communications, economics, leadership, entrepreneurship, journalism, and so much more. Available remotely or in person. As Peach interns, they gain hands-on experience, mentorship, soft skills, workforce development, and even academic credit, with flexible schedules and year-round opportunities. Our program welcomes all students, with a special focus on international students, underrepresented groups, first-generation college students, and neurodiverse students. At Peaches and Cream Foundation, we don't just assign tasks. We mentor, guide, empower, encourage, educate, and truly care about student success. Apply or learn more through Handshake and learn more at www.peachesandcream.org. Like, share, and subscribe on YouTube. At Peaches and Cream Foundation, Peaches and Cream Foundation Internship Program, where students grow, build, and succeed.